son. Where'd you born?
This is gonna be awesome, dude. It's gonna get so many views. Let's upload that and see how it does. Huh?
One pair of pants later.
You will get me followers and subscribers.
What the fuck? Your pal here fucking gets it. I have a bomb strapped to his chest.
Can I say bomb on YouTube? It's not a bomb. It's just a capacitor. What do you mean make more content to get more followers? What are you talking about? Listen, this is the content. This is all I got. Now let's refresh one more time. 68 followers? Know what that means? And maybe this will help you learn. Yes. Huh. I should probably wear fucking safety glasses. I'm actually fucking scared right now. It's literally like, okay, fuck, shit. Bro, what's happening? Is it expanding? There's 5 amps going through, 0.5. Okay. Okay. Oh my fucking god. Oh, I gotta turn off the fucking power supply. Holy shit. Where did it even go? Just get the image. Nope, still good. Got lucky there. It was a fake, okay? It's a fucking prank. I'm still gonna make a video about dissecting you and adding stuff to your body. Alright, I hope that wasn't too fucking cringy. Because it felt super cringy. Well, maybe the capacitor blowing up was good enough. Are we ready? Let's get started.